Okay, what can you tell me about today? Can you tell me about your day?
6.
Did you count to 10?
Cow.
1. Can you say 2?
2.
Very good.
2.
3. 4. 5. Can you say 6?
2.
Can you say 7?
2.
8. 9. Can you say 10? Can you say 10?
Yes.
Yes, you
6.
can. 6, that's right. You said 6. Good job.